Hi, I'm JDE Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I want to talk about the truth about motions to compel. But first, I want to say that if you have any questions about what you're going to hear today, you want to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc, and you can book a 10-minute phone or 30-minute in-person consultation there. Now, the truth about motions to compel. I was speaking with a client today, and we had sent out discovery about 2 months ago. Discovery is where you ask the other side to provide documents and to answer questions. And I had sent out the request, I think it was October, and it's now January. We still haven't received those documents. So she was asking me about the next step. Now, the first thing you have to do in preparation of a motion is that you have to do a good faith letter saying, I sent these, please answer them. I'm saying this in good faith, otherwise we're going to have litigation, or we're going to have motion practice. Now, the truth is, a motion to compel is, I hate to use the word pointless, but it's a waste of time. Because what happens 90% of the time is that you make a motion to compel saying they need to turn over the discovery, or else I'd like you to strike their answer or strike the complaint. And what happens is the day before the motion, this is what happens a lot of times, the day before the motion is the other side will finally send everything you asked for. And then you show up on the day you're actually supposed to do the motion, and basically you have to drop the motion because you got what you asked for. So you've now wasted 2 months or more waiting for the documents or whatever it is. Wasted a month in waiting for the motion to be heard. And then you get what you want. Okay? Now, another thing that happens is they'll say, well, we shouldn't have to give it. Or we did give it. And you then have to go line by line with a judge. And they'll say, yes, you did or didn't. And, here's the resolution. This, like I said, is frustrating when you do a motion to compel, because the end result is it's more than anything, it's a kick in the pants to get them to provide what you're asking for. But it's a waste of time because now you have to wait an extra 30, 45, 60 days to get what you're asking for. Your client has to spend money on the motion. In the end, you get what you asked for, but it just takes time. So I always do my best to put off doing a motion to compel until I've exhausted every other remedy, because I don't want to cost my client money. And it does cost your client money or it does cost you money as the client to do a motion to compel, and you're just getting what you asked for. So I hope this doesn't come off as a rant and rave, because it's really not. But it's just letting you know what a motion to compel does. All right? You're not really going to get the answer stricken or the complaint stricken unless they do something egregious. Now, of course, they may not show up at all, and then maybe you get the order to compel, but again, they just then have to turn over the documents. It takes something really bad to get a judge to actually say, yes, we're striking the answer. Yes, we're striking the complaint. Okay? So I hope I enlightened you a little bit on what happens when you do a motion to compel. And I should state here that the motion to compel really means you're compelling the other side to give you what you're asking for. That's it. All right, so if you have any questions about what you heard, you want to just talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, please go to meetjde.nyc to book that consultation. And if you like this kind of content, you want to know more, please like and subscribe so this will come right to you. And once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.